Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a EBS volume and you can attach it to a EC2 instance. So let's get started now. So just log into your AWS console and there just go to EC2 and after going to EC2 you need to go to the Elastic block store. Here we have volume. So just create a new volume. So you need to select the volume type. So right now I'll be using a general purpose SSD. Uh, let's say 10 GB and rest let it be default. And actually my instance is in US West 2B. So as you know, the EBS volumes are availability zone specific, means both the EC2 instance and your volume should be in the same availability zone. So right now I'm having my EC2 instance running in 2B, so I'm selecting 2B. So here is a option of encryption also, but I won't use, so just give it a name, demo wall 1. So create this volume. So, so here it is. We have, let me filter it out. So you can check the status. What is it's still creating. So now it is available. So I need to attach it to a EC2 instance. So just go to action and attach volume, and here I need to select the instance. So my instance is OpenVPN. This is my instance and the device. Usually AWS Linux OS has two devices by default, slash dev slash STF and xvdf also. So let it be there with the default name, attach volume, and then we need to check whether it is getting attached or not. So yeah, you can see the volume status as in use. So just go to our backend and log into the server, and if you here's the command to check the status of your file system. So right now, if you see our new volume that we have added is not appearing here. So just run this command. So here you can see one device is there with the 10G and the device name is this one. So now the device is there and it is attached to our EC2 instance. Now we need to create a file system on this one, and that file system we need to mount on a particular directory. So first we'll be creating a file system on this device. So the command is mkfs, then type xfs, and then you need to mention your device name. So the file system is created now, and if you want to see the status, just use this command lsblk. -f. It will show mount uh, a file system for all the devices. So our device was this one, and here I have created one file system with the xfs type. So now we need to mount it on a particular directory. So let's mount it on let's create a directory slash demo. So I have created the directory. Now I need to mount it. So mount and your device name, and then your directory name. So as you can see, this is mounted. Let's verify. So here you can see my slash demo folder is mounted with the 10 GB available space. So guys, this way you can mount your EBS volume to your EC2 instance. And now we are going to unmount it. So if you want to unmount your existing file system, then how you can do that? So for unmounting, use umount demo. So now if you see here, our demo is disappeared now. So now it has been removed from your directory. So now I need to detach from my EC2 instance. So select 1 minute, select this volume, and then if you see that status here, it's still in use, but after detaching, it will come in available state. Yeah. So now this volume is in available state. Yeah. So if you don't need this one, you can delete also. So just delete this volume if you no longer needed this one. So delete the volume. So yeah, this way you can mount any EBS volume and unmount also. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe the video if you like this video. Thank you.